What is my advice? Am I for or against mutual funds? I am for mutual funds. As a CA, what would be my advice about mutual funds? My advice about mutual funds would be, first of all, start small. Do not start with a lot of money. So let's say if I have 3,000 rupees which I want to spend every month on SIPs. Instead of making one SIP of 3,000 rupees, I'm going to make 3 SIPs of 1,000 each. Hi. Today, you're going to start with your first SIP with me. If you've already been investing in mutual funds, good for you. If you haven't started yet, you're late. I really mean it. You are really late. So, what are we going to do today? I'm going to start with a fresh SIP, just specially to guide you as to how to start SIPs. Okay, I already have been investing in mutual funds for more than 2 years now, and I am very happy with my decision. Watch this full video and promise me that you are going to start with your first SIP with me today while watching this video. You have to start with your SIP. ओके चाहे आपको ये लगे कि इसमें मेरा कोई फ़ायदा है या आपको इसमें ये लगे कि आपका कोई फ़ायदा है, इट रियली डज नॉट मैटर. आपको अगर ये भी लग रहा है ना कि इसमें मेरा कोई फ़ायदा है, तो भी करो इसको. Any one single person you think has good money and is doing well in life, that person is investing his or her money in mutual funds. If you are not doing it, you are not doing something that is really important for your future, for your family. I'm going to start with a fresh SIP. Just follow those steps and you start your first SIP with me on this video today. Okay, this is not a sponsored video. I'm going to show you how to create SIP on ET Money app. That is because I use that app for myself. I don't know any other app. And we are going to do a very small SIP of 100 rupees only. So 100 rupees a month, that is the SIP I'm going to show you on the video. See, we should all be putting some of our money, whatever we earn in a month, in share market. But the problem is that not all of us, first of all, have that kind of knowledge. Plus, we don't have that kind of money also to buy shares of different companies because they are generally very costly. The best part about mutual fund is that your money is getting invested in shares, but at the same time, you don't have to go through the hassle of learning about those shares. Somebody else is going to take decisions about your money. And is it safe? In my experience, yes, it is safe, although it does see fluctuations. Okay, the money keeps going up and down, but in the longer run, I mean, mutual funds are not for short run, they are for long run. We all can afford 100, 200, 500 rupees a month. I think that much is possible. See, the best part about mutual funds is that whatever growth your country is seeing, whatever growth is happening in your country, whatever GDP is growing, if your money is invested in mutual funds, you also get some benefit of the growth of your country. Mutual fund, they accumulate a lot of money from a lot of public, huge money, okay, and then they invest that money into different shares of different companies. Okay, so the risk is distributed, the risk is really low, and that is why I find mutual funds nice. But something like coronavirus, when hits the country, the problem is that all the companies are going to face financial problem, financial loss, and that is why the mutual fund also falls. But I'm telling you, it does pick up, it always picks up. Now, before I take you into the tutorial, I want you to subscribe to the channel. I want you to give this video a thumbs up. Please give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Instagram because that is where I post all the stupid stories of my life. And that's it. Let's start with the mutual funds tutorial. I have pasted my referral code in the description box. You can use that link to sign up for your SIP. Okay, let's start. So this is the front page of ET Money when I open it. Look at the top of the screen. You see your investments written. I'm going to click that. You see at the right corner, find mutual funds, click that. So these are the funds that are available for investment. Right at the bottom in the center, SIP starting rupees 100. I'm going to click that. This one right at the top, ICICI Prudential, it is showing a return of 18%, 18.4%, which is pretty good. You can scroll a little down as well and see that the rest of them are not giving good returns. So I'm going to simply take the top one, that is ICICI Prudential. I will click on invest now. So now you have two options, monthly SIP, invest one time. I would suggest go with monthly SIP. So every month on a particular date, 100 rupees will be deducted from your account and deposited into this fund. I'm going to type my amount as 100. And then I can choose the installment date that I want my money to be deducted. Let's say my SIP date is 20th. How long should I run this SIP? I would say until I stop is good. Register SIP. I'm going to click that. So I already have my bank account registered with them. Just simply register your bank account and fill in the details and then confirm the SIP. Would you like to pay an SIP installment now? Whether you want to start with your payment right away or you want it to happen in the next month, the coming month. I think I'm okay. I will just simply say yes. And then it shows my bank account again on the screen. I'll confirm the payment. तुम लोग के चक्कर में मेरी एक और SIP start हो गई. Yoo-hoo! So my request is registered with them. It is going to take them 3 to 4 days for everything to happen. My money is going to be deducted in next 2 or 3 days, and then finally my SIP will be placed with ICICI Prudential. Simple. Did you like my today's video? I'm sure you did. If you did, you're going to give this video a thumbs up because that is what helps me in growing the video. It is very, very meaningful for a video to receive likes. So please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram to have some fun together, and bas, okay, I'll see you again very soon. Okay, take care. Bye.